Hey guys, Mikey's Rotary here. Me and Mrs. Rotary gonna pull an engine. You guys get a watch. Pick it up on your side. Oh, okay. Look at her go. Oh, that's cool. It was green when I put it in.
It looks like more fun in your videos.
Because it's so quick. I'm sitting here freaking fighting one stupid hose clamp. Bleh, bleh. I'm gonna go grab me a 14 mil wrench. Ouch, gosh. All right, give me my wrench. Give me my wrench with a 14. Yeah, but I need my ratchet wrench, and I'm gonna need a 10 mil too. I need a deep socket. No, deep socket 14. I need a 3/8 inch. Grab me a 16 and a 17 socket like this. Where's my gun?
Want me to do that one?
Uh-huh.
I saw a video where somebody freeze-dried their cat, and as long as it was kept at the right humidity, it was shelf stable. So she just left it on her fireplace, and everybody's like, "Oh, it's gonna rot." She's like, "Not if it's kept at this humidity." And I'm like, "That." The point was, we could freeze-dry something and put it on a sheet. Was this car complete when you got it?
Just about.
It was one of the ones you decided to pry out?
Well, I tried to get it running and it didn't run. So I was like, okay. This was in Portland and the guy delivered it here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I was at work.
Oh, it's the one that your dad...
I went over and looked at it and got the guy to deliver it here. Okay. Just use your snippers.
How to pull an engine. The water's good, huh? After driving that Taco Bell water, it's like, wow, that's really good. Did we put the cherry picker on plywood?
No. And then I gotta go under and zip off this other side that's holding the tranny. There we go. Okay, hold on. Good ground wire, but whatever.
Oh.
Huh.
Well, the front tires are digging in the dirt up there. Did we put the cherry picker on plywood?
No.
They're like buried.
That doesn't help.
I could try tying a rope right here and pull forward with the green truck.
Yeah. Okay, wait. There's one more hose we forgot. There's a bunch of crap we missed. That's probably fine. Do we have a tire?
rest of my water. Use your phone. Like, people be like, why is it out there?
Yep. Time to take the tranny off and get it out of the truck.
welded?
Yeah.
What? Why?
They must have had a plate that... I don't even know. I did not grab a 12. I need a 12. Thanks, buddy! Woohoo! Nope. It was a 14 all along. Trunny. And there's pulling an engine with Mrs.Rotary. Peace. Hey guys, I want to give a big shout out to Daniel at Deeport Rotary, deportrotary.com. He's got a lot of cool stuff going on. He's down in Vegas. And Mazdan Official on YouTube. He's got a lot of cool stuff. He always posts a lot of fun stuff. I want to give a big thanks to all my friends, everyone across the States, in the UK, Australia. I met a lot of really cool people doing all this. This is so cool for me to be able to part these cars out and stuff and actually kind of make a living and keep my family afloat with it. But I do want to thank all my friends, all the people I've run across so far, up in Canada, I mean, across the world. You guys have all been super cool. I really appreciate every single one of you. Catch you later.